Sunday, September 2nd. Here we go. Up the stairs. See what it looks like. All the electrical and plumbing has been done. So, this is going to be the closet where you hang your coats. You go down the hallway. This is going to be our bedroom door. You go down the hallway. This is going to be Lucas's bedroom door. Keep going. This is going to be Anook's bedroom door. This is going to be the kids' bathroom. It's going to have a vanity and a toilet and a heater and a bathtub and a window. Then going back down the hallway, we go into our room. There's a closet on the left. We walk all the way in. This is where the bed will be. There's a switch right in the middle of the bed, so when you lay in bed and think, darn, I forgot to turn off the light, now we can. And the window, and my closet, and Fred's closet, and the bathroom where you come in. That's the shower stall there. Beside it is the toilet. Go over there and there's the bathtub. And then here's the vanity. And then you go back out. You have to use your imagination. As you can see, we don't have any walls yet. And then we go into the kitchen. And around the kitchen to the dining room. And to the living room with our awesome new windows. And the exit to the patio. And then this is the floor that we're considering here that we just picked up yesterday. And that's where we are as of today. Look at our backyard through the window.